Oh, you're such a jackass.
Oh, am I?
Maddie! Maddie Carlson, oh my God!
Maddie?
Marion, I gotta talk to you about
Maddie! Maddie!
when I left my job here, you see, I owed this guy a lot of money.
Maddie!
Hi,
Guys, you won't believe who's here! It's Maddie Carlson!
listen, could you just go and wait in the car,
Don't
please? This
tell
could get
me.
ugly. What? Marion, I gotta talk to you for a minute.
You were a hairdresser?
Maddie!
But you don't get a lot of choice in the relocation game, you know?
Maddie! Oh, I can't believe it! Oh, Ron is gonna shit. He's gonna die. I just can't believe it, Maddie! Oh. So you say hi to an old friend? Come on, cat got your tongue. Say something, Maddie.
Hi, Scotty.
Hiya, babe. Oh, God, I can't believe you came back.
How are you?
Oh, great.
Oh, I like the, Oh, that? Oh, no, it's just dirty. I had to tie it up. Gorgeous.
Who's this?
This is my sister.
Hi, Suze. Now, come on, let's go see Ron. He's dying to see you.
I'll bet he is.
You know, your brother is a genius. The